What's the meaning of comma? Comma. Comma.
Comma. Comma. A comma is a punctuation mark used to indicate a pause in a sentence, often used to separate items in a list or to clarify the meaning of a sentence. It can also be used to separate clauses and to create a pause in speech to improve clarity and understanding. The use of commas can change the meaning of a sentence, so it is important to use them correctly. In summary, the comma is a useful tool in written and spoken language that helps to create clear and concise communication.